friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I came to my grandma's house. So they are growing some vegetables in their farm. I will show them. I'll show you what they are. This is bottle gourd. You can see the bottle gourd there. From here to till there. This is cucumber. You can see the cucumber flowers here. And it's too also the cucumber plant. You can see the flowers growing here too. The ridge-gourd plants. Here you can see the ridge-gourds growing slowly. It's looking very awesome. Did you like it? Please like, share and subscribe my channel.